guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited. I got my first Allure beauty box. It's the Carli Bybel box, so I had to get it because I just love her so much. So we're gonna see what I got in mine. I think there was like an email that said some of the products might not be the same in this box because they ran out, so I'm hoping that's not true, but we will find out in just a second. So it's gonna be pink inside. And this is the little book you get in here. Okay, we're gonna see if it's all the same. There's like a little scratch card in here to see what's gonna be in the May box, but I'm not gonna scratch it. So it's a clear, cute bag like this, which this will be cool for traveling. I think everything's in here that's in this book. Okay. So this, I'm the most excited to see what color I got. I think I got the one I wanted. I got the one I wanted. I really wanted this like super intense, like goldish bronze color. And it's my very first Natasha Denona product. So that is that color. Can you see that? Well, yeah. Oh, I'm so excited I got this one. Yay. So this, I think it like retails for like $27. Yeah. So this goes for 27 bucks. How cute. I'm so excited about this. And then this is a Farewell Frizz, the leave-in conditioning spray. And that retails for $20. Dang, that's an expensive little bottle. 0.75 full ounces. Well, I'm doing my hair tomorrow, which this video will probably go up a few days after that, but we will see if it works. Next is this really pretty brush. I'm out. It's like a pretty gold brush. And this brush is $4.99, so super affordable, and it's super pretty. Next is the Laura Geller eyeliner, and I got a purple one. That's what that looks like. Nice and purple. And that retails for $22. Next is this Mala Eye Color Shadow Stick. Ooh. That's what that looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a pinky color. I like it. I like it. I think this is like a free gift when you order for the first time. Yeah. So this is the free gift when you order for the first time. That comes in this one anyways. So that's really pretty. Next is an organic tan infused cloth, which I do not tan, but it goes for, so it's $25 for a pack of 8 and $39 for a pack of 16. I have no idea how much that is because it's just 2. And last but not least, I got Pure Hollywood. This is my first Anastasia lip color. And that's what that looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a pinky, like nude pinky, more pinky than nude, but it's so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this color actually. And that goes for $20. So this whole thing is worth
$4.99 plus 22 plus 27 plus 20. What is it? 10 for those.
So it's like $104. And then whatever this thing is worth. So that's a really good deal. It was only 10 bucks for the first order. It's like 15 I think a month after like your first one. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about it. That's everything I got. I think I got everything normal. So I'm not sure what they were talking about when they said they ran out of certain things. I'm happy I got them. I remember watching the video. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go get this box now, or this bag. And I like that it's like this super cute, like clear bag. Like look at how perfect that is. You can see everything in your bag that you need to look at. So yeah, I actually really like this. I'm super excited to try some of these products that I've never tried before. I'm finally almost done with these eyelash extensions They're coming off slowly but surely. And I will film a makeup tutorial. I've been a little afraid to do anything with them because they're just a pain in the butt to like do makeup with and try to remove it and all that good stuff with like a makeup wipe, which you're probably not supposed to use on your eyes with them, but whatever. And you're not supposed to wear eyeliner and mascara and all this stuff, and I'm just like, I can't do anything with these things on. So I'm taking them off soon. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video.